Hi, this is Monica. Welcome back to my channel, Suds and Bees. In today's video, we will be making this beautiful silky winter apple body wash. This body wash gets its silkiness from the silk peptides, and it's got moisturizing properties such as aloe vera solution and hydrolyzed oat protein, as well as glycerine. I have formulated this body wash with very mild surfactants that are great for sensitive skin, such as foaming apple, which is an ionic surfactant derived from amino acids obtained from apple juice. So I thought it was very appropriate to add this surfactant to go with the name of our formula. I have also added Capryl Glucoside, which is a non-ionic surfactant made from vegetables derived fatty acids and glucose, as well as Cocamidopropyl Betaine, a mild amphoteric surfactant derived from coconut oil. I have colored it with a little bit of red dye. I have scented the body wash with Macintosh Apple by Candle Science. I am so in love with this scent. It literally smells like if you were sitting in the middle of an apple harvest. It reminds me of the scent of the skin of red apples. It's just amazing. I love it so much that I'll be purchasing a bigger bottle. So come on, let's go make it. Okay, in this container I have 24 grams of aloe vera solution, and I will be adding 13.2 distilled water. 1.2 silk peptides. This is just going to give us a silkier feeling. And we want to go ahead and incorporate our silk peptides. And I will go ahead and mix this with my mini mixer to make sure it's well incorporated. You don't have to use a mini mixer. You can just do it by hand, but it's just a lot faster. 2.4 hydrolyzed oat protein. And this is for a soothing feeling and moisturizing. We'll go ahead and mix this in, and now we're going to put this to the side. I will be using a 600 milliliter beaker. 18 grams of vegetable glycerine. I'm adding my vegetable glycerine to the surfactant phase because this is a cold process formula. 24 grams of foaming apple. 12 grams of Capryl Glucoside. Okay, now I'm adding FD and C red 40 dye. This is just a nice red that will match our Macintosh Apple body wash. Okay, into this I want to add 0.6 liquid Germal Plus, which is our preservative. And for fragrance, we are using Macintosh Apple by Candle Science. As you can see, I have a little heart on there. That indicates I really love this fragrance. It literally smells like apples. It does not have a synthetic smell or a candy smell. It just smells like a harvest of apples. So I thought it was very appropriate for this body wash. I'm going to be adding this at 2%, which is 2.4 grams. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mix it. It smells so good. Okay, now I'm going to be adding my water phase. And once we add this to here, you don't want to mix it too rigorously because it'll bubble up too much. And I'm not really happy with this color, so I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to add my liquid crothix at 3.5%. That's going to thicken our formula to a nice body wash consistency. I'm going to be adding 4.2 grams. Okay, so now we're going to test our pH. It has thickened quite a bit. It's got a nice, very nice consistency. So I'm gonna put on like 2 grams. And 1 gram of water for pH meter, and so we have a pH of 6.7. I'm happy with that for a body wash. If you want to lower it, you can add maybe 2 to 3 drops of a citric acid solution, but I'm okay with this since I use regular soap anyway as well, which is a pH of 9. So I'm going to leave this overnight, let all the bubbles subside, and I'll be back to package it. Okay, so it's been about 24 hours and our body wash, the bubbles have subsided. If you can see, it looks really pretty. It's got a nice consistency with the crothix, and I'm not kidding, it smells amazing. If you have not bought anything from Candle Science, I definitely recommend the Macintosh apple. It's just, I will be making more products with this fragrance oil. So to package it up, I am using a 4-ounce plastic bottle with a flip top. Here I have added a little bit of the body wash, and you can just see just by agitating how many bubbles you get. I can use my mini mixer. See a lot of bubbles, which is really nice. It's silky and smooth and hydrating. And there you go. You just made some winter apple body wash. Thank you for watching. See you next time.